So, shall I start the video? Okay, girls, everything is here. Everything you need is here. I mean, lipstick, eyeliner, is here. Everything is here.
Welcome to our Larry channel. This is me. This is my channel, and let's go.
Go buy your mama a house. Go buy your whole family houses. Put this money in your savings account.
Okay. Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Larry channel. This is me. And today I'm here with another video. As you can see, I don't apply or use any makeup now like this. All you need is here, guys and girls. Okay. So, I'm not really into makeup. Use eyeliner, always makeup on and ready to go. Ready to go everywhere, like girlish one. And it's just, I think, the best version of me. And today's video, I'm gonna try makeup. I really don't know how to use makeup, cause most of the girls are aware of them. They are very good, and I envy them. I mean it, I envy them. Yes, and I started this video with really my girlish way. Like really girlish one. So today's video, let's go. Let's just cut the bullshit and start and see what do we have here. Where's my? It's here. It's a brush. You call it brush, I think. I don't even know the name. You believe it or not, but I just seen that my mother's use this, like this, and I use it now. Maybe before that you apply many things on your face, but yeah, as a beginner I just apply this. No, with my bangs. I like my bangs. I don't have a lot of things here. I don't have a lot of makeup stuff, or I just have this. I don't know why you call it really. You call it drawer? It's my makeup things. It's just everything. I put all of my makeups things here. I mean eyeliner. You can obviously see from here. Sorry. Lipstick. The upper floor is just for lipstick. Second one is again lipstick. Again lipstick. Yeah, I don't know if you can see or not. And this part is, I don't even know. What are these? It's not for makeup, I think. So yeah, it's here. I put everything here. All the things that I need for makeup. Most of the time I rather just apply something on my face to make my face just white. But and the red lipstick. I mean, I just love lipstick so much, so most of the time use the red one. Let's first of all apply the red one. Start from lips. Can you see? Yeah, my mirror is here, and I like the red, and usually like light makeup, but red lipsticks. Is it good? Okay. Most of the time, before I apply the red lipstick, to make my lips softer, I use this one. I don't know what's the name. Shimmer Lip Gloss OT. And let me apply that to make my lips glow more. Is it glow? And this one. So let's apply for this eye and see the results. And this one is sharp and happy one. Title of this video: it would be. I've never tried makeup. Yeah, I mean clickbait one. But it's not like I've never done it before. Makeup, yeah, most of the time just like this. You know, I don't want to make my eyes more wider than it is now. Yeah, so I most of the time I just leave my face like this with bangs and just this. I'm going to try eyeliner. I'm really bad at eyeliner. So, eyeliner. I use these things. I don't even know the name even. Yeah, it may be brush. You maybe think that's I'm like bragging or something that I said I don't know the name of this stuff and makeup. Oh, I am beauty on my way, just my way. I don't wear makeup. But no, I really don't know most of the names of makeup and things like this. And this one, gel eyeliner. For the next part, I wanna see that which eyeliner suits me better. The straight one, the upturned one, or the falling one. You know what I mean? So for next part, I will try eyeliner. So go to next part. Goodbye. It's not bad. I have wide eyes. The tail has become thicker. Try with my nails to make it sharper. In girlish mode. Very, very girlish one. See you next time. Sorry. It's good. Girls, tell me, what was my job? Try to draw and apply it carefully. This messy one is better.